For breaking news, go to iDiskiTimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiskiTV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Tso Vilakazi, they call me Tso. Niyazi bafowethu, ama-coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiskiTV.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs this weekend in the Betway Premiership. One club looking to extend their lead at the top of the Betway Premiership to 18 points, and another club looking to find themselves somewhere in the mid-table mediocrity of the Betway Premiership. That's Kaizer Chiefs going nowhere slowly in the league, number 5, number 7, number 8, number 9. Generally speaking, depending on other results, that's where they find themselves. Mamelodi Sundowns, it is possible that by the time that Orlando Pirates play, they could be 18 points ahead of Orlando Pirates by the time Pirates plays against Mamelodi Sundowns tomorrow. So Vilakazi, former Mamelodi Sundowns, are taking midfielder. That's a big game tomorrow. Big one tomorrow.
Makhosi for life.
Mr. So-and-so.
Mr. Kiyo kunjani mfethu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngibulise wena mfethu, ngibulise uStizi, ngibulise uChairman,
Yes,
ngibulise
sir.
nanemakhaya. Cela support njalo like iDiskiTV ngizobe njengoba njalo akuchike futhi. Ayi. Yazi Mr. Kiyo, there's one thing that I always learn. You know, when elders are talking, sometimes umamele Mr. Kiyo. Abathi sometimes but you need to draw a line. You need to draw a line. You know, manje, I say cross all the line there. Now, so we bus stop la. The bus stops here. So, Mr. Keo, I think tomorrow, people will be shocked tomorrow. Some will be surprised and ask themselves, but how possibly? Why kanjani? Tomorrow, things will turn around, Mr. Keo.
In order for things to turn around, sometimes ninabantu bebola ninokuhamba ama-special projects iyiphi ke inyanga strong abazoyithola labo abazosurprise abantu ngoba I'm sure akusiyona inyanga yaseSoweto akuyona inyanga yasemzansi Afrika. Where are you going? Let's look at that. Who is going to be leading your special projects?
Yazi Mr. Nkewo, when you play against big teams, uyahamba lokho uyamamela nalaba uze ukuthi kubla ngathi yanuka kancane khona bese uyakhola bese kewu yeah,
would you go to Mozambique?
I know.
You go to the kingdom of Eswatini. Where is the strongest possible nyanga?
Yeah, no, I think if into yamampela no, against the Sundowns, you don't have to go far, man. Yeah, like KZN, no. For Sundowns, you don't have to go far. Yeah, chicken jelak lingana. It's about 7 hours. We are figure lapana. We are sorted. We are coming back tomorrow. Figure lapana ngamahlombe wako right is strong already. But now one thing is that, Mr. Keo, you can go and get all those things. It's not for sure.
There's still a game to be played.
Hey, now you're getting that, Mr. Keo. That's why I'm showing it. Sasa we go there. It's Farama Clavito. Yazi boxing, kunale boxing le Mr. Keo. Eliwa fan square. We're gonna farwa. Nalento leza kon. Yami. Le exas. I so far Mr. Keo so talking pela ngoba. Masaka toranga so bwes maboko.
I'm a reinforcement.
Yeah, no fun exas ngoba sinking.
Yeah, I opened this video by saying that it is possible that by the time Pirates plays against Mamelodi Sundowns at 5:45, Sundowns could lead by 18 points. They're currently leading by 15, so even if the lead was 12 as well, it is still a sizable lead. And even if Chiefs maybe manages to get a draw or even win, it is still 15 as well. It is possible, so let's speak to that. It is possible that maybe this weekend could be the decider, who is to say, or it could be the weekend that turned things around, where if Sundowns loses to Chiefs, it's a big if, of course, and then Pirates wins at Mamelodi Sundowns, which they should, then that gap becomes, or stays, it's 12 points. It's 12 points, and then Pirates will have 3 games in hand as well.
Yeah, you know, Mr. Keo, you always pray, especially when situations are like this. You just pray with, yo, it is at least instead of Sundowns getting 3 points, at least if they can get a point, it's better. But if they can lose, then that's good for all of the Pirates, and that's something that everyone, I think, all the Pirates people, they wish for that. But at the end of the day, Mr. Nkeo, we can wish that Chiefs, they have to do it for themselves. They have to do it not for Pirates, but for themselves in terms of climbing again one step ukuthi basondelile ukuya ku top 5. But if that doesn't happen, then they'll find themselves going down again, and now it was gonna obvious open that gap between Pirates and Sundowns. Even though Pirates still have, one thing it's worrying me, Mr. Kew, about all of this is that you've got games you don't have points. I don't know whether it's maybe him that I'm so anxious and I feel uncomfortable about the whole situation. Sundowns, they've got points. We've got games. We still have to go and grind and get those points. That's a hell of a job. Like, you have to go and work. If you have to work 100 times, now you have to double and make it 200 times because of the pressure that you're feeling. That Sundowns have got 15 points already. You've got 15 that you need to catch up. And yeah, that's going to be a tough one. But all prayers.
What kind of game do you think we will see? I'm not sure what Pretoria. I checked this week.
Yeah.
It looks like it's going to rain. It's going to rain here in Joburg. It's 70-80%
Yes.
Possibility in Johannesburg. And I think Pretoria might be affected, and there will be thunderstorms as well.
Yeah.
What kind of game do you think we're going to see? Is it going to be open? Is it going to be a cagey game? What kind of approach will Nabi decide as they play tomorrow in Sundowns, considering the weather as well? It's already raining even as we're speaking, and I think it's going to continue tomorrow.
Yeah, no. Nabi's going to defend. He's going to defend in the manner that, look, I don't have tools. So whatever that I've got, I'll just put those bricks without doing cement and the concrete. I was just gonna put those bricks up at least kubonakala ngathi ngilakhile nje bonda, even though ngibekile those bricks. Somebody also angale, he's not gonna see this side because of these bricks. But if my figure out bonda leao. So he's going to defend Mr. Keo. This team Sundowns, it's these people. I don't think I'm a dietitian or I'm a team now with Sundowns. They're human beings. I think Sundowns are a robot. You can't have a team that is so consistent like this. Look at them. The past 3 games, they scoring goals, and when you look at them, not that they just scoring for the sake of scoring. They actually supposed to be more because of they create a lot of chances they miss, and if you can put all these chances that they create, maybe they score in the past all the games.
Be more than the 4.
More than 4. It could be maybe 10.
Yeah.
So it tells you how this team is so ready and they're always prepared for each and every game that comes. And their game plan is always good. And yeah, the quality that they've got, you can't compare.
Yeah, our videos are proudly brought to you by World Sports Betting. Tomorrow, Mamelodi Sundowns will take on Kaizer Chiefs in the Betway Premiership. Mr. So-and-so, take it away, sir. What's your prediction for tomorrow?
No. Let me give Amakosi. Amakosi will get a goal, but the score will be 2-1. They'll get a goal. There's no way.
Or you open the video by saying there will be a shock.
Yeah, there'll be a shock, Mr. Keo.
So
but
are you changing your mind?
Yeah, the wise man always says you're allowed to change it.
Well, we started the video. What was your feeling?
Yeah,
before we started the video?
I felt very strong with people, they'll be shocked tomorrow.
What is the shock?
The shock is that Chiefs can surprise them. Chiefs can win this game 1-0.
All right, so don't change that. You going back there, or you want to change it?
I remember Mike Mangena says, I put my head on the block.
That's a big Kaizer Chiefs.
So
Mike Sporo Mangena.
So now I'm putting my head on the block.
Yeah.
Chiefs will win the game tomorrow. Taco Blue running a storm. Chiefs, they're winning tomorrow. I'm certain about that.
What's the score?
1-0. That's a champion score. Done and dusted.
There you go. Thank you very much, Mr. So-and-so. You guys can predict yours as well in the comment section. You do realize, of course, that we don't know what will happen in all of these matches. And if we did, we would bet and we would never shoot videos again. So there is no one with a crystal ball. The match will unfold tomorrow. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, also betting.
All abafowethu,
Bongani bobomnisi bafethu ngicela subscribe ku iDiskiTV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiskiTV.